Friends, now today we are going to discuss question number 8 of exercise 3.1. The question is like this. Here you can see the rainfall in millimeter in a city on 7 days of certain week was recorded as follows. Now you can see here it is day here and it is rainfall in millimeter. Monday it is 0, Tuesday it is 12.2, Wednesday it is 2.1, Thursday it is 0, Friday it is 20.5, Saturday it is 5.5 and Sunday it is 1. Now see the question what is asked here. Find the range of the rainfall in the above data. Means you have to find the range of this table here. Second part, find the mean of the rainfall for the week. Means you have to find the mean, right? Next here, third part, on how many days was the rainfall was less than the mean rainfall, right here. Now we will start from part 1. Find the range of the rainfall in the above data. Now I want to find the range. Range means highest minus lowest. So I will write here highest observation. So let me write here range is equal to highest observation minus lowest observation. Now what is the highest observation? You can see here this is the highest number. Here highest number is 20.5. You can see here 20.5 is the highest number. So 20.5 minus what is the lowest one? Lowest one is 0. So 0.0. Just once verify again. It is 0. It is 12.2. It is 2.1. It is 0. 20.5. 5.5. 1. So the answer comes here 20.5. Right here 20.5. Now second part I will write down here. Now we have to find the mean. So mean is equal to, we know the formula, mean is equal to sum of all observation upon number of all observation. Now I will do totaling of this all. So it will come 0 plus 12.2 plus 2.1 plus 0 plus 20.5 plus 5.5 plus 1. You can see again I will add these numbers. So it is 0 plus 12.2. So let me see again. It comes 0 plus it is 12.2 plus 0 again plus 20.5 and plus here 5.5 and plus here 1. Just count, it should be 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So one number is missing here. Let me see again. 0, 12.2, 2.1. So 2.1 we have missed here. So let me add 2.1 here. Plus 2.1. See here 2.1 plus 0 plus 20.5, 5.5 plus 1. So it is right now. You can compare 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right here. Now divided by 7. Now we will add the numbers. We will add here 2 to 12.2. The sum of first two. The next it is again 20.5. The next two it will come how much here? You can see it is 6.5. And this number as it is I am writing as 2.1 upon 7. Now we will do the addition here. So it comes here 2 plus 5 7 and 7 plus 5 12, 12 plus 1 13. It comes 3 here, 1 carry. Now 1 plus 2 3. Now 3 plus 0 3 and 3 plus 6 9, 9 plus 2 11, 1 here, again 1 carry here. Now 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2, 4. Now it is 441.3 upon 7. Now I'll do a cancellation. So it comes here 7 ones are 7, 7 5s are 35. You can see 6 remaining. So it comes here 63. So 7 9s are 63. The answer comes here 5.9. What is the answer? 5.9. Let me write down here. The answer is 5.9. What is the answer? 5.9 is the answer. Yes, now part 3 on how many days was the rainfall less than the mean rainfall. This we have to find out. So mean is how much we got here? 5.9. So we have to find out less than. You can see it is asked here how many days was the rainfall less than 5.9. So let us see here 5.9 less than is which one here? One is Monday. So I am writing here Monday also it is less. Then on Tuesday it is more than 5.9. So we cannot take. On Wednesday it is there. Yes. Then on Thursday also it is there. Then less than 5.9 is 5.5 also. So it is Saturday also there. And the next Sunday. So you can see how many days are there now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 days are there. So the answer is 5 days. What is the answer? 5 days is the answer. What is the answer? 5 days. So Monday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday and Sunday. On these days the rainfall was less than the mean rainfall. So 5 days is the answer. This question completes here. Let us see question number 9 now. You see the question here. The height of 10 girls measured in centimeter and the results are as follows. So it is given in centimeter. First one is 125, the next one is 150, the next one is 139, the next one is 128, the next one is 151, the next one is 132, the next one is 146, and the next one is 149, and the next one is 143, and the next one is 141 centimeter. Now see the question. What is the height of the tallest girl? So you have to find out the tallest girl height. You can see. And then what is the height of the shortest girl? You have to find out. And what is the range of the data? You have to find out the range. And the fourth part is given like this. What is the mean of the mean height of the girls? You have to find out the mean height of the girls. The next one, how many girls have height more than the mean height? You have to find out how many girls are having more height. Now we will do one by one question. So I will solve here first part. So solution. First part. Now you can see what is the height of the tallest girl. So we will compare the number. You can see 150 is the big one, but more than 150, 151 is there. So 151 is the tallest. So 151 centimeter. You can see what is the height of the tallest girl? 151 centimeter. Next here, what is the height of the shortest girl? So you can see 135, but 135 less than, so 128 is there you can see. So 128 centimeter is the smallest. 128 it is centimeter. Right here 128 centimeter. I am marking here so that you will know it. One is 151 and one is 128. Right here. Now, what is asked here? What is the range of the data? Now we will write the formula here. 3 range is equal to highest observation minus lowest observation. So what is the highest observation? You can see it is 151 centimeter minus 128 centimeter, and you can see it comes. What is the answer? 11 minus 8 it is 3, and here comes 4. 4 minus 2 is 2 only. So 23 centimeter, and 1 minus 1 is 0. So this is the answer. So range is 23 centimeter. First, second, third part I am explaining once again. the height of the tallest one? So you can see here it is 151 centimeter. What is the height of the shortest girl? You can see it is 128 centimeter. And what is the range? So we know the formula. Range is equal to highest observation minus lowest observation. So it comes 151 centimeter minus 128 centimeter. The answer is 23 centimeter. So first, second, third part completes here. Now fourth part, you can see here what is the question. What is the mean height of the girls? What is the mean height of the girls? So I have to add all the heights, and how many are there? There are 10 girls, so I will divide by 2. So I will write the formula of mean. Mean is equal to sum of all observations upon number of all observations. Now you can see now sum of all. I will take one by one. So I will take 2 2 135 plus 150 plus 139 plus 128 151 plus 132 and next 146 plus it is here 149 and down I am writing plus 143 plus 141 divided by whole. How many are there? You can see it is 10. So I will write this equal to will come here divided by 10. Right here you can see now. Now I will add two numbers so it will be easy for us. You can see now I will add these two. So 5 plus 0 it is 5 and here 3 plus 5 is 8 and 2 plus 1 plus 1 is 2. So it is 285. You can check easily. Next 9 plus 8 17 and here comes 1. Now you can see 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 2 6. Right? Now 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus 2 6 and here 2 plus 2 1 plus 1 2. Right? Next I will take the next two number. I am taking in pairs. I have taken this pair. Now I take this pair. Now I take next pair. So you can see 1 plus 2 3. Now here 5 plus 3 8 and 1 plus 1 2 283. You can do directly also. 6 plus, now I will take next two. 6 plus 9 15. 1 carry. 1 plus 4 5. 5 plus 4 9. Here comes 1 plus 1 2. Now you can see 1 plus 3 4. Here comes 4. Now 4 plus 4 8. And here comes 1 plus 1 2. And divided by same number it is 10. Now let us go for a all together addition. So 5 plus 7 12. 12 plus 3 it is how much? 15. 15 plus 5 20. 20 plus 4 24. It is 2. Just verify once again. 5 plus 7 12. 12 plus 3 15. 15 plus 5 20. 20 plus 4 24. Now 2. 2 plus 8 10. 10 plus 6 16. 16 plus 8 it is 24. 24 plus 9. You can see 24 plus 9 is 33. 33 plus 8. 33 plus 8 it comes 41. So it comes 33 plus 8 is 41. Here comes 33. It is rough. Now you can see 41 4 carry. Right? 4 plus 2 6. It is how many 2s are there? Just directly add 1 2 3 4 5. So it comes 14. What is the answer? It comes 14. You can check easily. 1 2 3 4 5. 5 to the 10. 10 plus 4 14 upon 10. Right? And when we divide by 10, the answer comes what? It comes 141.4. What is the answer? 141.4 is the answer. So the mean is 141.4. Right? This fourth part completes here. Let me discuss once again with you. Mean is equal to sum of all observations upon number of all observations. We have added all the observations I wrote here first, divided by 10. Then I did the addition, and in simplification I got the answer 141.4. Right here, 4 completes here. What is the question here? How many girls have heights more than the mean height? Now you can see mean I got here 141.4. So I have to compare with the 141.4. So I am doing now part 5th. 141.4. So I have to compare more. How many girls are having have height more than this? So 141 more than 141, you can see one number is 150. Right? You can see now 151 is also more. Next one 146. The next one 149. And the next one 143. We can count how many are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the answer is 5 girls. What is the answer? 5 girls. Please understand the question once again. How many girls have height more than the mean height? Mean I got here 141.4. So I compared here. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 girls have height more than the mean height. And this question completes here, and this exercise completes here. I will discuss a new exercise in the new video. I think these doubts are over of this question number 8 and 9. Thank you everyone.